how to make a budget and actually stick to it. I recently wrote a step-by-step guide on TVO.org about how to make a budget. Here are the key points. The first step, and one of the most important, don't beat yourself up. We live in a really unequal society, and not everybody is starting from the same place of financial stability when it comes to budgeting. So, before you even start to looking at any numbers, take a second and give yourself a break. We are not all facing the same financial situation or the same financial pressures. Next, check in with yourself. The way to be successful with a budget is making a budget work for you and reflect your actual priorities. Maybe you want to save for a house, or buy a car, or even go on a vacation. Maybe you just want to pay down some debt and feel less stressed out about money. Either way, knowing what your financial goals are will help you make a budget and continue to stick to it. The next step is follow the money. That means where each dollar is going. One easy way to do this is to print out a couple months of statements from every account where money leaves in the month. So that's your credit cards, that's your bank accounts, that's anything else. Print out those statements, get a highlighter, and physically highlight different categories of spending. Another great thing about this process is that it also allows you to identify places where you really can stop spending. So for instance, that subscription that you keep meaning to cancel. After you know where all of your money is going, you need to figure out what you have coming in. So when you have a regular job with a regular steady paycheck, that's pretty easy. You can see on your pay stub how much is coming in each month and how much you have to spend. If you're a freelance or a gig worker, that can be a little more difficult, but I do have some suggestions in my story on TVO.org about how to do that. Then it's time to make a plan that works for you. Remember, budgeting is anything but a one-size-fits-all process. There are online tools that can help with this, such as the Financial Consumer Agency of Canada's Budget Planner. I talk about some more of them in my story. Okay, here's the last and most important step. Adjust as necessary and keep adjusting until your budget works for you, especially in those first few months. The targets you set may not be achievable, and you can always revise at a later time. Keep looking at your saving and your spending.
Do you budget?
Yeah, I budget.
Is it fun?
Peace of mind is fun. Knowing that I can spend that $20 bill and not have to worry about it later is fun. If you have any money or affordability questions for me, send me a tweet. I'm at Kat Eschner. And don't forget to take a look at some of TVO's other explainers.